Farming isn't just work. It's tradition, care, and hope for tomorrow. Even in areas without internet, every activity is recorded right from the field. And when connected, all data syncs automatically, securely, and instantly. With AI-powered insights, farmers can simply scan crops to detect issues early. Instant alerts and recommendations help farmers take the right action at the right time. At harvest, both experience and data come together for better yield tracking. Every batch is tracked from drying to seed collection, ensuring full traceability. From farm to market, every step is recorded, verified, and ready for delivery. Navfarm SIV, where farmers, data, and AI grow together.